अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं? आज हम आपको बताते हैं कि CSS क्या है। ये जी इसका इंट्रोडक्शन है। व्हाट इज़ CSS? ये CSS को कहते हैं जी कस्टमर स्टाइल शीट को। CSS स्टैंड फॉर कैस्केडिंग स्टाइल शीट। CSS describe how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. CSS save a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in CSS file. ये नीचे इसका CSS demo, one HTML page, multiple style. Here we will show one HTML page display with 4 different style sheets. Click on the style sheet 1, style sheet 2, style sheet 3 and style sheet 4. Link below to see the different style. तो ये नीचे बता रहा है उसकी डिफरेंट लेआउट स्टाइल के बारे में। तो ये है जी हमारी पहली स्टाइल शीट। ये सेकंड पे क्लिक करते जी, ये देखिए स्टाइल शीट 3 और ये 4 और ये नो स्टाइल शीट। ये स्टाइल शीट 1 पे क्लिक करते जी, ये आ गया। वाई यूज CSS, कि हम CSS क्यों इस्तेमाल करते हैं। CSS is used to define style for your web pages, including the design, layout and variation in display for different devices and screen size. CSS example, तो ये उसके नीचे उन्होंने एग्जांपल दी है। ये बॉडी बैकग्राउंड कलर लाइट ब्लू, H1 color white, text align center, P meaning paragraph, font family Verdana, font size 20 px. CSS solve a big problem. HTML was never intended to contain tag for formatting a web panel. HTML was created to describe the content of a web page, like H1 this is heading, P this is paragraph. When tags like font and color attribute were added to the HTML 3.2 specification, it started a nightmare for web developer. Development of large website where fonts and color information were added to very single page become a long and expensive process. To solve this problem, the World Wide Web Consortium W3C created style sheet. CSS remove the style formatting from the HTML pages. If you don't know what HTML is, we suggest that you read our HTML tutorial. अगर आप इसका ट्यूटोरियल देखना चाहें तो इस पर क्लिक करके इसका ट्यूटोरियल आप देख सकते हैं। CSS saves a lot of work. The style definition are normally saved in external .css files with an external style sheet file, you can change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. तो यहाँ से हम नेक्स्ट करें जी. CSS syntax. A CSS rule consists of a selector and declaration block. Selector h1, declaration color, font size, property value, property or value. The selector points to the HTML element you want to style. The declaration block contains one or more description separated by semicolons. Each declaration includes a CSS property name and value separated by a colon. Multiple CSS declarations are separated with semicolon and declaration block and surrounded by curly braces. ये नीचे एग्जाम्पल है जी. In this example, our paragraph element will be center aligned with the red text color. Example explain. P is the selector in CSS. It point to the HTML element you want to style. Color is property and red is the property value. Text align is property and center is the property value. You will learn much more about CSS selector and CSS properties in the next chapter.